Hi, good morning, Mommy, Jace, Gavin. We are here at National Museum of Malaysia. And we're at the entrance. Tawag nila rito Museo Negara, Kuala Lumpur. Wow, nice. Thank you. Congratulations. Gavin. Thank you. Mommy? Thank you. Thank you. For you. So for you. Gavin. Garden. So this is our guide. Yeah.
They're fish?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can feed them.
I don't know.
We can take pictures here. Yeah, you can feed them.
this from?
Sorry?
From?
Me? Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Group?
Huh?
One group?
No. Only my family. Okay. This is special?
Yes.
This is chicken in. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
Right.
Okay. For the frame, for that one. Yes. How much that one?
20.
20, and then they're gonna
Yeah.
paint. So after the painting,
Yeah.
you're gonna give us, or
Yeah, you can get
Ah,
it.
okay. Even this one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That one is 15. This one is 20.
Okay.
We also have tie and dye. That one.
Different that one, huh?
Different.
This indigo, what's this?
Yes, indigo color. It's
This one?
Yeah, this one is indigo.
How much is one?
35 ringgit. Because it's from
35.
the natural color. It's from the indigo leaves.
Okay,
So we
okay.
extract the color. After you do the tie and dye, the color will turn from green to blue.
Okay. Mommy, I want to try the indigo. Slowly?
Yeah, slowly. Okay. So you can wait 30 minutes or
30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. It will be submerged for 30 minutes. Yes? And then handle. We're gonna go roam around.